Hi, welcome to Burstow Kitchen. Now this is the bowels of the stall. I like to think of it as the heartbeat. But, here we go. My lovely assistant Kat doing the video today. So today, really simple recipe because we're right in the middle of service, so we've got to be really quick about this. So we've got here, we're going to make a tea loaf. So in here we've got 170 grams of raisins, 170 grams of sultanas, and a zest of one orange. Now you have to do this the day before, so you put that in the pot or in the mixing bowl, pour in 300 mils of really strong tea, we use Yorkshire tea, and let that soak overnight. It will soak up all the liquid. You can see it's done that. Nice plump raisins, everyone. And then we've got 250 grams of self-raising flour, 200 grams of soft brown sugar. Light soft brown sugar is best for this one. And as you can see, 2 beaten eggs. And all you've got to do, once you've soaked your raisins and sultanas and the orange zest, is tip it all into the bowl. Everything goes in, even the bits you miss. Don't forget the egg. And then we give it a nice, good old mix. You can use your hands if you want. I don't want to, so I'm not going to. And then when it's all combined, I haven't got one that I made earlier, so you'll have to bear with me. Let's just pretend that that's all nicely combined. And then you need to just grease and line. Do a better job than that. That was a bit of a, a last minute thing. And then pour that into that. It goes into the oven for about an hour and a half, but keep an eye on it, guys, for 180 degrees or gas mark 4. If you've got an electric fan assisted oven, then 160. Let us know how you get on.